Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Trustpilot Payouts, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Trustpilot Payouts, first, log into your Trustpilot account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the Payouts option. In the Payouts section, you will see your current earnings and any pending payments. Verify that your account settings are complete and updated, particularly your payment details. If you haven't added a payment method yet, click on Add Payment Method. Choose your preferred payout method, either bank transfer or another option provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your payment information securely. Once your payment method is set up, return to the Payouts section. Check if there are funds available for withdrawal. If there are funds available, click on the Withdraw button. Confirm the withdrawal amount you wish to request. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your request is processing. Keep an eye on your email for further notifications regarding your payout status. Typically, it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your bank account. If you encounter any issues, refer to Trustpilot's support resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.